Today, I'll be using Flameflower, an original character from Emagine Comics. To share my experience with Kaiber, I'll demonstrate how Kaiber can generate new superhero characters with just a few inputs. Are you ready? Let's get into some Kaiber.ai. So here we are. Make your imagination a reality. With Kaiber's video creation platform, you can make beautiful videos in just minutes. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your initial files, including your images and audio. Step 2. Direct your vision and choose your desired video style, animation, and transitions. Step 3. Adjust your settings to fine-tune the look and feel of your video, including format, length, and zoom. Step 4. Select your starting frame and let Kaiber.ai do the rest. Finally, download your finished video and share it with the world. It's that easy. So let's get started and turn your vision into a stunning video that will captivate your audience. Once you've created your Kaiber.ai account and log in, this is the first page you'll see. To get started, let's upload a photo. For this project, I'm using Emagine Comics original character, Flameflower. This is the subject section. In describing your vision to AI art generators, be concise but descriptive. Clear and detailed descriptions of key elements like color, shape, texture, and mood are crucial for generating accurate and realistic outputs. For this project, which was used to create this video's intro, I typed specific superhero Flameflower morphing to a beautiful flameflower sun beast. Now to style. There are various styles to choose from. Your personal preference and overall theme of your project is ultimately up to you. For this particular project, I felt that dancing to medium rock music, moving to the beat, perfectly captured the energetic and lively essence of the artwork. Next is movement and direction. I simply chose zoom in, generate, and let's wait and see the magic. Kaiber.ai is an awesome video generator. It also provides me with extra footage that I am confident will be useful for future projects. If you're liking what Kaiber has to offer, my personal referral link is in the description. Now, let's see what Kaiber.ai does with superhero Flameflower defeating evil ice villain. Continue in the style of epic action battle. Continue. Let's choose 30 seconds for 30 credits, but hold on, I want to change something in the description. You can go back without losing previous information. Continue and wait for the magic. Crafting your masterpiece? Oh yeah, this is about that time you should ring that bell and subscribe. Using Flameflower in Emagine Comics original superhero, I put together a little something with the help of Kaiber.ai. So without further ado, enjoy. Our hero Flameflower, will she prevail? Flameflower stood her ground as the massive ice monster charged towards her, its icy breath frosting the air. With a deep breath, Flameflower summoned her power, flames bursting from her fingertips. The ice monster roared as the flames engulfed it, melted its icy armor. Flameflower kept up the assault until the monster lay defeated. rising from his defeated form, she breathed a sigh of relief, knowing her flame power had once again saved the day.
Thoughts on Kaiber, it helps people who don't have money to get out and, just spend money on a team. I'm gonna be completely honest, like as far as like comic book stuff, nothing like, but as far as stuff like my TCG trading card, it's gonna be used in my, my trading card business. But as far as the comic book, I have to say I would like to keep that out because I would like everything to be from my head and not from the AI. When you use the AI, you take that away from you actually when it comes down to like building a character. When people build a character, like when you build a character, you want to build a character from your heart. Somebody you know, somebody you familiarize with. If you let the AI do it, you take that part away because then they're like, well, how much do you really know of this character? You can only say, well, the AI thought of everything, like every little detail, like say when somebody asks you about, say, flame flower, and they can pick any piece of flame flower and they can say like, well, why did you create that outfit? And I can give them a reason why I picked that outfit. And when you do the AI, like when you pick the AI, you can't really give that genuine response like, I'm the one who picked that outfit. But like I said, the AI is there for more of a assistance, and I think it's the most amazing assistant that you can have because the AI, it can do it very well. It can draw like all those little forest pictures, like I said, like stuff like that. Just remember when you use the AI, it's easy to use, so you can, you can get sucked into it and you can lose the most valuable thing about making a character, about drawing, and that is actually the feeling that you get when you draw it, the reason behind you making that drawing. I really do love this AI as far as me starting my business is really helping me out with that a lot. And I can't thank you enough for telling me about that website because this is actually an amazing website and it really takes a lot of stress off of me that I can depend on. I'm not just depending on me no more. Like I know that this AI can get it done.